Hello, kids. Today we will teach you how to do the door pose. Oh, somebody's at the door. Oh, somebody's knocking. Okay, so let's do the right leg in kneeling position.
Okay.
Go ahead, Arya, please do it. Right leg in kneeling position. Left leg spread out to the side. Left arm touching the left leg. And the right arm stretching upward, the palms facing to the left side. Very good. Now let's open the door. Oh, very good. Oh, it's getting hot. It's so hot outside. Now let's close the door. Let's do it on the other side. The left leg in kneeling position. Right leg spread to the side. And right arm touching the right leg. Very good. And now let's stretch the left arm upward, palms facing to the right. Now let's close the door. And close the door, close the door. And is that the sound of the door?
No.
Very good. Okay, so now you learned how to do the door pose.
Yes.
We hope you learned something, guys.
Yes, the door pose is good for stretching. It can also let your bones exercise if they need to, or if you need to.
Very
So
good.
stretch.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.